back to YDC TV. This is Dee, and we are having another episode of our Stitch series. So thank you all of my loyal and new fiber collectors and stitch enthusiasts. We're doing things a little bit differently right now. Normally we would just jump right into the tutorial, but I wanted to give a little bit more face time, so I thought I'd do a little introduction before we jump in. We're shaking things up a little bit with our stitch series. We're going to be combining our stitches now. So if you're new to crocheting and need to you need some refreshers, even though we'll go through each stitch, you need to watch some of the other tutorials. Go ahead and go back and watch some of those. These are going to be your the basics of single crochet, double crochet. That's what we're going to be working on for the next couple weeks, but we're going to be combining those. So if you do need to go back and watch those, go ahead and go back and watch those. So that's kind of what we're going to be doing over the next couple weeks, but they're going to be fun. At least I think they're fun. So that's my plan for the next couple weeks, just to give you a heads up. So I'll stop babbling and we'll get into the tutorials. So I hope you enjoy them. Okay, let's get started on June 4th tutorial. Here are the swatches I made up. This is Favorite in good question, Candy Pink. This was done in a 6mm J hook. And this is a combination of double crochet and single crochet. And yes, it is a bright sunny color for summer. I just felt like doing something bright and sunny. And this is Favorite in white, and it's done in a smaller hook. And yes, a few rows short. And it's in a 4.5. So it's a tighter fabric. So today we will be working with my go-to light beige, just because I have it in my back stock of yarn from a blanket that I had leftover yarn from. This is Favorite light beige. It is a, I want to say a 4-weight. Yes, 4-weight. So you can use anywhere from a 5mm to an 8mm hook. We're going to use a 6mm hook. I have my stitch markers here. This is a multiple of 4 plus 5 on the foundation chain. I'm going to chain 12. Your foundation, you can do as many as you'd like, as long as they're a multiple of 4 plus 5. So let's start with our slip knot. Make sure you go ahead and leave yourself enough yarn to weave in at the end. So do your slip knot. Oop, try not to let it fall off your hook like I just did. So I'm going to chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, Now I'm going to do my plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to put my stitch marker right there. Maybe if my hands want to cooperate. Yes, I'm trying to hold that 5 because that's where we're going to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you start your, we're going to put 3 double crochets in the 5th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So yarn over, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Insert your hook in the 5th chain from your hook. Remember not to count your loop on your hook, as that does not count. And you make sure you grab both of your strands for the V on your hook. And that's a little blurry. Let's see if we can get that focused in a little bit better for you. There we go. Okay, so you insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull the yarn through, 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we're going to do a total of 3 double crochet, crochets in that same spot. There's 2 and 3. Now we're going to not fight with our yarn. Hey, there's a yarn label in there. Skip 3 spots. Now because we did 3 in that one, this one here may tighten up. So we want to be careful that this one's going to tighten up. So we want to count that 1, 2, and 3. Then we're going to single crochet in that next spot. And then we chain 3. 1. Hey, somehow my stitch marker is staying with my hook. Give me just a second. Let me go put that on that. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that over there work. I am, oh, what a day. Okay, now we're going to put 3 double crochets in that same single crochet spot. So 1, 2, yarn over, insert your hook in that same spot, and that makes 3. Now we're going to skip 3. Remember to be careful because that squishes that down. 1, 2, and 3. So insert your hook and we're going to do a single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and 3 more double crochet in that same single crochet spot. 1, 2, oops, and then another double crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, that's 2, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That makes 3. Now on this last one, you're still skipping 1, 2, and 3, and that puts us in the last spot. You're going to single crochet there. You're going to chain 3, put your stitch marker in, because that's going to mark your, you're going to chain 1 more for a chain of 4, turn your work, and then 3 double crochets into that single crochet there. 1, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, and pull through 2 for a double crochet, and then 2 more. So 3 double crochets. There you go. So now that you've done that, into the chain 3 space, you do a single crochet. So you insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay. So chain 3, double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook in that same chain 3 space, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. Okay, in the next chain 3 space, insert your hook, pull up a loop for a single crochet, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 more double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. 2 more double crochet in that same chain 3 space, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. 1 more, yarn over, insert your hook in that chain 3 space, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, now we're at the end of the row, and in the top of the chain 3 space, 1, 2, 3, insert your hook, pull up a loop for a single crochet, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, now that you have that, you can move your stitch marker up. You're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, move your stitch marker up, turn your work. You're going to do 3 double crochets in that chain 1 space, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Excuse me, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. 1 more, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. Into the next chain 3 space, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 for your single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over. We're doing 3 double crochet. Insert your hook into that chain 3 space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. 2 more, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. Okay, into the next chain 3 space, single crochet, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now we're going to do again the 3 double crochets into that chain 3 space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, 2 more, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. One more time. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over. Don't let it get too loose. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. Okay, now we're at the end of the row. Find your chain 3 spot, 1, 2, and 3. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. You can take out your stitch marker now. Maybe. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Insert your hook, or your stitch marker. Chain 1 more. Turn your work. 3 double crochets into that chain 1 space. Pull up a loop. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. That's 1. 2 more. Insert your hook. Pull up a loop. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. If I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video. Yarn over. We get this is the last one in this spot. Pull up a loop. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. Into this chain 3 space. Insert your hook. Pull up a loop. Pull through 2. Chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, 1 more, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, there's your 3, in the next chain 3 space, insert your hook, pull up a loop for your single crochet, pull through 2, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, 2 more, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, 1 more double crochet to go, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, you're at your last spot. Insert your hook at the third, the top of the turning chain, which is the 3rd single crochet. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Okay. There's my scissors. Okay, and you just repeat that same round until it's as long as you'd like it. There you go. This stitch is called the Tulip Stitch. I found it in one of my stitch dictionaries, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button, and let your friends know. I appreciate it, and have a great day.